Upward, super. Upward, maturity. Upward, unity and progress. My names are Abubakar Babatunde Ishola Ajidagba. I am the Deputy State Chairman, Tricycles Owners and Driver Association of Lagos, TODA, an affiliate with Richan, under the leadership of Alhaji Ajala Samsidin, aka Kausara. The reason why I'm here on the live screen is to bring an urgent information to all the citizens of Lagos State, because we, Tricycles Owners and Drivers Association of Lagos, we are law-abiding citizens, which we really believe in law. Recently, there is a propaganda that has been trending, moving on the sky of social medias, that there are some criminal association which they call themselves TWAN, that there is an judgment they collected from Industrial Court of Nigeria that is taking them to go and take over all our activities, all our work, all our parks that now belongs to them. And I believe that is the act of criminal. And all these people we are talking about are not citizens of Lagos. Some of them are from Abeokuta, some of them are from Songo, which I believe, like the proverb of our Yoruba people says, awolumate omonware ni, awmonile ashejeje ni ajoji lumante. Because if they are a bona fide citizens of Lagos State, I strongly believe they won't be bringing propaganda to bridge the peace of Lagos State by taking over what does not belong to them. And there is a white paper which our father, our president, the former governor of Lagos State, Alhaji Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that indicated inside his white paper then that he only recognized NURTW and RTEAN, which is the Road Transport Employee Association of Nigeria, and any form of tricycles that wants to operate under the Lagos State law and under this Lagos State transportation should emerge without two unions. Is either you go to national union or you emerge with the Road Transport Employee Association. And since then, we've been abiding by the laws. We, the Tricycles Owners of Drivers Association of Lagos, we associate ourselves with Richan. And ever since we've been working together, we've been living with peace. We've been living with love. We've been living with maturity and understanding. And ever since then, we've not been through any issues. There is no conflicts. Even if any issues come between the both of us, we settle and we move on. But just of recent, some people have been posting on social media that they are coming out to take over what does not belong to them. So I'm making this video and I'm sending a message to our governor, Babatunde Sanwo-Olu, and his deputy, Amzat, to please help us alert all the security agencies in Lagos, and we promise you we will not breach the peace of Lagos. Whoever among them that is outside to breach the peace of Lagos, we promise we will arrest them and hand over them to the lawmakers. And we promise them all that they will all rot in jail. We don't know anything that is stolen. What we recognize in Lagos, the Tricycles Owners and Drivers Association of Nigeria, under the leadership of Alhaji Kausara Ajala, which is our state chairman of Road Transport Employee Association of Nigeria, and which Alhaji Musa Mohammed is our national president. And ever since we've been working with them, we've never regretted. We've never had conflicts. Everything has been moving fine. They accommodate us as their son and as their brother. So I see no reason why any other person or people will come out under a propaganda law that there was a judgment which is being given to them. And I will be advising you, this is not the first time this kind of a thing has been happening, trying to bridge the peace of Lagos. I will be advising you that they are coming to scope you. Join us. Let's work together. Let's do this. This is the time for us to give you chairman, promising them what does not belong to them. My advice for you is what? Stay clear. Stay clear. This is 2026, a new beginning. ẹ má lọ fi ọdún tuntun ṣe ẹ̀wọ̀n up to that